Hi everyone, happy Vlogmas day. I'm just making an intro for a bunch of Vlogmas clips that didn't make it into videos for that period of time that I wasn't feeling well, because I thought if I have the clips anyway, I should just put them together for you guys so you can see them. Wow, I'm trying to talk to the Vlogmas. So yeah, buckle in, and these clips are going to be pretty random. It's like a bunch of food, a bunch of Chanel, a bunch of pets. Not a lot of me, but that's okay. Alright, I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Oh, this little kid has her surgery tomorrow morning. Say, I'm getting some surgery done tomorrow morning. And my mom is very nervous. Yeah, her mom is very nervous. But it's okay. She's gonna be a good kid. She's gonna do a good job. And then we're gonna go pick her up, and it's gonna be fine. So we will see you guys bright and early in the morning. Isn't that right, Chanel? Yeah. Sweet. Sweet little ginger kid. Alright, happy Vlogmas Day 5. Good night, everybody. Oh, wow, sharp teeth.
Good morning, happy Vlogmas Day 6. I'm up bright and early in the morning feeling very tired, but me and Channel need to go to the vet, so I have to be awake. Is that right, Channel? Oh, you're tired too. Say, it's my morning. It's my day to do something exciting. It's my day to do something scary. Yeah, some scary morning thing to do. Oh, I did itchy. Yeah, wow. Itchy, ow, pointy. Oof. The weather is being a lot. Isn't that right, Chanel? I also hate, it's like almost like 8 in the morning and it's so dark. Ugh. It's practically night time still and I hate it. Chanel's going out for one last hurrah on her harness because she's not going to be able to go on her harness for maybe 10 full days. Yeah, you might not be able to put it on again until you're fully healed. Okay, so it's pouring rain out. I was very blessed and got a drive home from downtown from Steven. I went to pick up Saki's cat carrier because I totally forgot that my cat carrier is in Montreal with my partner and my cat. So I have a cat carrier now to pick up Chanel. I just called the vet and she's supposed to be done at about 4. So we'll see. I'm gonna hang around. I'm gonna clean my room because that's kind of where she's gonna get cordoned off to, because I need to make sure she's not jumping up on stuff. I need to supervise her. My room is a little bit messy, so I'm gonna go do a cleanup. It's gonna be a rough time trying to keep this one to either leave her incision alone or leave this cone on her head. You're mad.
Oh, poor thing.
This is our hoopty kid. She hates the cone. You can't back out of it, honey. It's tied around your neck.
I don't want to back out of it.
Hi. Hello, satellite dish. What a sweet satellite dish. Yeah, the best satellite dish. With gross eye boogers. Yeah, with gross eye boogers. Yeah, your brother's crying because he wants to see you. Yeah. Oh, such a sweet little cone head. Yeah, her spay went really well. Her incision is actually really tiny and really clean. So, things are looking good so far. You cannot stand up at the door. She really, really hates the Elizabethan collar though. I'm sorry, honey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, hoopty kid. Let me just scratch your chest for you. Yeah, she just had her medicine, so her inside eyelids are kind of sliding over her eyes a little bit. Her brother is crying endlessly. Yeah, what a good girl. Oh, it's annoying you. I know, honey. What a good girl. Oh, sweet kid.
Stares off into oblivion.
Stares into the abyss and the abyss stares back.
Look at that face.
Drugs, drugs, drugs. Which are good, which are bad. Drugs, drugs, drugs. Ask your mom or ask your dad.
Hello.
Oh.
You're stoned and
Yeah.
also confused.
She's a hoopty one. She's not as hoopty as Trance was, though. Trance was like
Stumbling.
walking around, falling over, like
She's like contemplating going on top of that white box you have in there with the drawer, but she
part
can't
of
fit.
why I put the cone on her, because I don't want her
You can't fit.
holing up under the bed.
Right.
I don't want her holing up under the...
Whoa.
Whoa!
That was rude.
Hey, that was... Say, was that because I was hoopty, though? Oh, no. I don't think, other than when she growls like a dog when she hears people outside, I don't think I've ever heard her growl, like, at one of us.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. 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 Whoa. You're smashing into me with your big cone neck. Brrr. Brrr. Ooh. What a sweet baby. Oh. Yeah, you're not feeling good.
She's doing this right now.
Yeah, what a good little one. What a good little one.
The brother one. Moose, be No, no. No, no, be gentle. Yeah. Moose, she needs you to be gentle, okay? Yeah. No, no. He's being so naughty. Chanel just wants him to pay attention to her, but she's near my wrap, so he has some feelings about it. Forget it. Chanel is out of her e-collar for now. I took it off of her so she could have breakfast, so I could give her her anti-inflammatory. So, hopefully... Oh, Moose. Oh, nice kids. Hopefully she will leave her body alone so that she can stay out of the e-collar for a little bit. But we'll see. We'll see how long that lasts, right, Moose? Moose, I don't care if you're sad. He's very sad. He's very sad. Yeah. Because he wants my wrap, and I'm not giving it to him. He's not sad for any actual good reason. He's sad because he's naughty. Whoa. Oh, hey. Hello. It's been a couple of days since we last talked. Sorry I dropped off the face of the earth. It was my intention not to miss a single day, but with my eye infection and with Chanel having to get fixed happening in kind of the same couple of days, I was just really wiped. I did some recording on both of those days, just kind of hoping that I would be able to edit them and post them both 3 days. It might have been 3 anyway. I had hoped I would be able to get some stuff up, but after I fell more than 1 day behind, I just decided that it would be better for me to just go ahead, let those days lapse, and then come back to you guys on Vlogmas day 8, I think. Anyway, sorry that I pieced. I feel really bad about it. It was my intention to post properly, but that's not the way the world works sometimes. I am right now working on some comic stuff for a piece Joanna and I are doing for a magazine for an anthology they're running. So I'm just getting that done right now. I already have most of it done, just need to finish some of it up. Anyway, I'm gonna go work on that. I will touch base with you guys again. I'm hoping to stream The Sims again this evening, so hopefully that'll be a thing, but I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Wish me luck. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, Chanel, oh, she stopped. Chanel was grooming Moose until I started recording, and then she was like, nope, don't pay attention to me. Nothing is happening over here. Chanel's feeling great. I'm feeling a lot better also, which is good. But both of the pets seem pretty happy right now. Right, Moose? Yeah. Whoa, you're silly. You're silly. Uh-huh. Okay, so I just watched the YouTube Rewind for 2017. It was hilarious. I was laughing a bunch and then I cried. I feel like that's pretty standard for YouTube Rewind. They have like a pretty good template on how to make you laugh and then cry and then laugh again. They do the like Pixar thing. So it was really good and really cute. If you haven't watched it yet, you should go look. There were a lot of faces I recognized and a lot that I didn't, which is always one of the things I like about YouTube Rewinds. Especially this year, I feel like there were a lot of people that I didn't recognize and I was like, yes, I can find more YouTube people. That's my favorite thing ever. So if you haven't checked it out, you should go look at it because it's really cute and the music mixing is really, really great. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base and say that I watched YouTube Rewind and it was really cute and I cried because I'm a baby. Okay, I'm gonna go do my work. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Excuse me. I'm really not feeling well, so I'm making myself a pot of soup. I think I'm gonna make some cashew cream really quickly to put in it so that it's a little more substantial. It doesn't have anything fancy in it. I'm trying to do my work and feeling all blech about it because of those dumb, stupid antibiotics, which I'm happy to have because I want my eye to be healthy, but also, Alright, finished product. Lighting is terrible in here, so I apologize, but that's my finished product. It was kind of like a gut healing broth, sort of, but then I added some cashew cream that I made myself into it just to make it a little more nutritious. So now I'm gonna eat it and finish up my thumbnails. Wow, Moose, you being noisy. Okay, and that's it. That is everything up to just before Vlogmas Day 11. Again, there wasn't a lot, but I hope you guys had a good time, and I hope that at least filled the gap of me not posting for several days a little bit, hopefully carried between those two, between the last Vlogmas Day I did and Vlogmas 11 a little better than nothing. Okay, bye!